Hello, my people. Want to withdraw your earning from Hope? Where is exactly how to payout process work? Eh, Specifically in this video, how to withdraw from Hope to your bank uh, without Stripe or PayPal. Well, the first, while use Stripe to send money directly to your bank account, you will find a withdraw button. It's all automatic. Go to your Whoop dashboard, yes, and click on settings, then payments. You will see the option to connect to a Stripe account. For example, here I am in the dashboard. Click profile and click balance. Click this is the dashboard, and in this moment click in set up web payments. Here select your country to create a new account, for example United States or any country, Philippines for example, and click OK. Here we give information, for example email address, but it's not that important. Click in payment methods, click here, and here add payment methods. Here submit, give information, for example card number, expire date, CVC code, full name, country or region, address line 2, city. Follow the steps to link your bank. Once connected, will automatically transfer your available balance to a Stripe. Here I have 0 because or I have 0, and we have this message: your payout setup attempt was not successful because we here unable to verify your identity. From Stripe, the money is sent to your bank. Depending on your country, this usually takes 2 to 7 business days. Keep an eye on your payout to see when your next transfer is scheduled, and that's it. Easy, right? Like this video if I help, and I will see you in the next one. Here click need help for chat with Hope, with Agent Hope. And well, that's all for today's video. If you like it, and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time.